concealed carry a revolver. You guys will be shot on sight.
I am pleased to announce that the polling stations are now open.
Also, a line to vote right here, guys.
You forced me to do this!
Bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Bad boys, bad boys.
What you gonna do